Hey friends, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a slightly used 2022 Yamaha AR195 with only 189 hours on it. Really a nice boat. It was a local trade, purchased and used here locally. We've just completed all the service work on it, and it's loaded with features to make your day on the water a lot of fun. Take a look at the water sports tower with bimini top built in. It has a 1.8 liter supercharged motor with 250 horsepower, so plenty of power for water sports activities while you have a boat full of your friends. The trailer is included with the purchase. And then let me show you the back of the boat, which has my favorite feature. Check out the large swim platform area with backrest molded into the transom. Gives you a great spot to hang out while you're anchored off and the kids are swimming and jumping in and out of the lake. Let's go inside and take another look. Okay. This boat is loaded with features on the inside. First, you have a wraparound bow with a bow filler cushion area. Walk-through center windshield with lots of storage underneath each one of the helms. Great place to put all your beach bags, trash cans. As you walk around, you've got a full wraparound seating area with a removable cushion over here in the center to make that a walk-through transom. Ski locker down here for all your gear. And then this boat has the Bluetooth stereo and the digital touchscreen display with all your gauges right there on the helm. Love to show you this boat and everything else that we have here in stock at MarineMax in Greenville. Please come see us.